Welcome to this tutorial. How to sign up for and use Gmail's Help Me Write feature. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, racking our brains to compose that perfect email. Well, worry no more. Gmail has got your back with its fantastic AI-powered Help Me Write feature. So get ready to supercharge your emailing skills as we take you through the ins and outs of Gmail's Help Me Write feature. Let's learn and level up our email game together. Open Gmail on your web browser. Log in with your email ID on Gmail and password. If the two-step verification feature is on, then select an option to get the verification code. Enter the verification code in the box that you have received and click on the Next button. Click on the Compose button at the top left. At the bottom of the new message window, you will find the Help Me Write button. Click on the Help Me Write button. Write your prompt in the Help Me Write box. For example, I am typing here. Write a cold email for a business introduction on pet care. Click on the Create button. The Gmail's Help Me Write feature will automatically compose an email very soon. Click on the Insert button at the bottom right. Now, write the name of the receiver, your name, your business name, and your name as a signature. Click on the To box and type the email ID of the receiver. Write a subject line and then click on the Send button. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.